We have 11 market locations in Fairfax County, including 4 markets that accept SNAP, and we are run by the Fairfax County Park Authority. All of our vendors are producer only, which means that they have to grow or make from scratch everything they bring to our market. So everything you see here was made by the people that are at the market, which is really beautiful. It means you get to truly shake the hand that feeds you.
We picked these yesterday afternoon in the pouring down rain in the mud, and we brought them in, washed them up, and so they're as fresh as you can get. And the strawberries were picked yesterday. Asparagus was cut this morning. The lettuce was cut this morning. This is a new kind of kale. It's called Tuscany kale, Swiss chard. Of course, these are white turnips. These are radishes. This is fennel. This is a new type of garlic.
And the farmers actually choose varieties that are better, that taste better, and have more nutrition, where grocery store varieties, they're usually selected based on how shippable they are. Farmers markets are a really great place to come get all your starters. The farmers, they put a lot of care into the seedlings. If they don't sell them, they plant them themselves. We have an orchard that is absolutely wonderful. We've got a meat vendor with plenty of eggs.
Free-range, pasture-raised. The chickens actually have to run away from the foxes. And I gather about 300 eggs a day.
And then other unique items that you won't find anywhere else, homemade fruit pops, and you can get local honey at our farmers markets.
The local wildflower has a blend of all the trees and flowers, so that's pretty much it. It's just raw honey straight from the comb. They say if you take a teaspoon a day, it's supposed to help boost your immune system to fight against the local pollen allergies since it has local pollen in it.
Of course, you can get baked goods, lots of homemade, fresh, artisanal baked goods.
One of my favorites is our lemon glazed. It's a lemon and vanilla shortbread with a lemon glaze on top. And my personal all-time favorite of any cookie that exists on the planet is our cardamom molasses cookie. We infuse the butter and the sugar with the cardamom pods, and then we crack them open and crush them up and add them with the other spices. It's definitely a labor of love and my favorite cookie.
There are a lot of reasons that the farmers markets are really important. A couple big ones, they do a lot to protect the environment. It really does have an immediate impact. They're helping to reduce their carbon footprint. They're preventing runoff into our waterways. They're promoting pollinators in our region. And they're also a big driving force in the local economies. And then the other way is just providing citizens with direct access to their farmers and learn more about where your food comes from.
We actually have a mill in the back of our store. We mix it, shape it, proof it, bake it all by hand.
A lot of people don't think of food as an environmental or social issue, but the truth is it is, and it's something that we interact with every single day. Everybody eats every day, and so this is a chance for everybody to make a little impact every day.